Have you ever thought about making money on YouTube without ever filming a video or showing your face? What if I told you that AI tools can do most of the work for you? Welcome to the world of YouTube automation with AI, where technology helps you create content, grow your channel, and earn passive income. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to start a YouTube automation channel using AI tools step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand YouTube automation with AI. YouTube automation with AI is all about leveraging advanced tools to simplify the process of running a channel. Instead of manually writing scripts, recording voiceovers, or editing videos, you can use AI-powered platforms to handle these tasks. This allows you to scale faster, save time, and focus on strategy rather than execution. For example, let's say you're running a channel about motivational content. AI tools can generate inspiring scripts, create voiceovers, and even produce high-quality visuals, leaving you to focus on growing your audience. Step 2. Choose a profitable niche for AI automation. The success of your channel depends on picking the right niche. Here are some AI-friendly niches. Motivational content. AI can generate inspiring quotes and create videos with stock footage. Top 10 lists. For example, Top 10 Gadgets of 2025 or Top 10 Richest People in the World. Health and wellness. Share tips like 5-minute daily workouts or Best Foods for Weight Loss. Tech reviews. Use AI to create reviews of the latest gadgets or software. Educational content. For example, how to learn a new language in 30 days. Pro tip. Use tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to research trending topics and ensure your niche has demand. Step 3. Use AI tools to create content. Here's how to fully automate the content creation process using AI. Scriptwriting. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to write scripts for your videos. For example, if you're creating a video about top 5 productivity apps, ask ChatGPT to generate a script outlining the benefits of each app. Pro tip. Add a personal touch by tweaking the AI-generated script to make it more engaging. Voiceover. Don't want to record your own voice? Use AI voice generators like Murf AI, ElevenLabs, or Speechelo to create natural-sounding voiceovers. Example. A calming voice for motivational content or an energetic tone for tech reviews. Video creation. Use platforms like Pictory AI, Synthesia, or Runway ML to create videos. These tools combine your script, voiceover, and stock footage to produce high-quality videos. Example. For a motivational video, use stock clips of people running, working, or achieving goals, paired with your AI-generated voiceover. Thumbnail design. Thumbnails are crucial for clicks. Use Canva or AdCreative.ai to design eye-catching thumbnails with bold titles and engaging visuals. Step 4. Set up your YouTube channel. Now that you have your content ready, it's time to set up your channel. Create a professional look. Use tools like Canva to design a clean banner and profile picture that reflect your niche. Optimize your About section. Write a description that explains your channel's purpose and target audience. Organize playlists. Group your videos into playlists to make it easier for viewers to binge your content. Pro tip. Use SEO-friendly titles and descriptions. For example, instead of Best Productivity Apps, use Top 5 Productivity Apps You Need in 2025. Step 5. Monetize your channel with AI. Once your channel starts growing, it's time to monetize. Here's how. Ad revenue. After reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, enable monetization to earn from ads. Affiliate marketing. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to write engaging product reviews and include affiliate links in your video descriptions. Example, promote software like Grammarly or gadgets on Amazon. Sponsorships. Partner with brands to feature their products in your videos. Digital products. Use AI to create and sell digital products like eBooks or templates related to your niche. Step 6. Automate and scale with AI to grow your channel. Automate repetitive tasks. Use YouTube Studio to schedule video uploads. Automate video research with tools like VidIQ to identify trending topics. Outsource additional tasks like video editing or thumbnail creation to freelancers using platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Pro tip: experiment with different AI tools to improve efficiency. For example, use Descript to edit audio and video with AI-powered transcription. Starting a YouTube automation channel with AI in 2025 is one of the best ways to create a scalable passive income stream. With the right tools and strategy, you can automate most of the process and focus on growing your brand. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video.